In this guide, we'll show you how to use the SLA recalculation tool. Let's say you recently created a stricter SLA for high-priority incidents. Your new SLA is now in place, but the older high-priority work items still follow the previous rules, which leads to inaccurate performance reports and misaligned expectations. That's where the SLA recalculation tool comes in. You can use SLA recalculation in a couple of scenarios. If you just set up a new SLA and need it to apply to old work items, recalculation will make sure those changes take effect. Similarly, if you've updated the configuration of existing SLAs and want those updates to apply to old work items, recalculation can handle that too. To get started, open the recalculation page from the top navigation menu in Time to SLA. To start a recalculation, enter a JQL query to define which work items you want to update. Before continuing, keep the limits in mind. Each recalculation task can include up to 20,000 work items and 10 SLA configurations. If your recalculation is larger than that, you should split it into smaller batches. Next, select the SLAs you want to recalculate. You can tick the Exclude Stopped SLAs option if you want to leave out stopped SLAs. For example, imagine an SLA was completed in 5 hours. At the time, the target was 6 hours, so the SLA was met. Later, you change the target to 4 hours. If you recalculate that finished SLA, it may now appear as exceeded, even though it was considered met when it was completed. Excluding stopped SLAs helps prevent completed results from changing unintentionally. Once you've set your parameters, click Start to initiate the recalculation process. You can monitor the progress of your recalculation in the Recalculation Requests table, which shows each task status, start time, and end time, making it easy to keep track and ensure everything runs smoothly. By using recalculation, you can keep your SLA data aligned with your latest configurations, maintain more accurate reports, and make better decisions based on up-to-date performance metrics.